DailyPay Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They think all early wage access apps are the same. But in 2025, with so many options available, choosing the right platform can make a huge difference in managing your money, avoiding fees, and actually improving your financial health. Today, we're diving deep into the DailyPay app to see whether it's worth it or something you should leave behind. Let's start with the basics. DailyPay is an early wage access platform that allows employees to access earned wages before their standard payday. Essentially, if you've worked hours this week, but your payday is still days away, DailyPay lets you access a portion of that earned income instantly. But how does it work in practice? And is it truly beneficial in 2025's financial landscape? Let's break it down. Here's how DailyPay works. 1. Integration with your employer. First, DailyPay only works if your employer is partnered with them. Most larger companies and some mid-sized businesses in industries like retail, hospitality, and healthcare are on board. Once your employer is enrolled, your earned wages are automatically tracked in real time. This is critical because accurate reporting ensures you can access the correct amount without delays or errors. 2. Accessing earned wages. Employees can choose to access part of their earned income through the DailyPay app. For example, if you've worked $500 worth of hours this week and your payday isn't for another 10 days, DailyPay allows you to withdraw a portion of that $500 instantly to your linked bank account, debit card, or prepaid card. 3. Flexible withdrawals. Unlike some competitors that limit early access, DailyPay allows flexibility. You can withdraw in increments based on your earned hours, giving you control over how much to access, while avoiding unnecessary overdrafts. For instance, you might take only $100 early to cover an unexpected bill and leave the rest until your scheduled payday. 4. Fee structure. One of the most significant aspects of any early wage access tool is the cost. DailyPay doesn't charge traditional interest rates like payday loans. Instead, the app may include a small flat fee per transfer or offer optional tips for the service. This is substantially lower than traditional payday lending alternatives and much more transparent than hidden overdraft fees from banks. 5. Real-time tracking. The app tracks your earnings in real time, showing exactly how much you've earned, how much is available for early access, and how much remains for your standard payroll. This is especially helpful for workers with fluctuating schedules, like gig economy or hourly retail employees. 6. Integration with financial tools. DailyPay in 2025 has advanced features that integrate with budgeting apps or personal finance platforms. This allows you to see how early withdrawals affect your cash flow, making it easier to plan for bills, savings, and other financial goals. Some users link DailyPay to apps like Mint or Unab to get a holistic view of their finances. Now, let's discuss pros and cons. Pros. Instant access to earned wages. This is the core benefit. Emergencies happen, bills come due, and having access to money you've already earned can prevent high-interest loans or late fees. Low-cost alternative to payday loans. Traditional payday loans have annual percentage rates exceeding 300%. DailyPay's small per-transfer fees are a fraction of that. Real-time earnings transparency. Employees can see exactly what they've earned and what is available, reducing confusion and mistakes. Flexibility in withdrawals. You decide how much to access, making it easier to manage cash flow responsibly. Integration with financial tools. Helps users track spending, avoid overdrafts, and maintain better control over personal finances. Cons. Limited employer participation. Not all employers offer DailyPay, which can limit access for some workers. Potential for overspending. Easy access to earned wages can tempt some users to withdraw more than they need, creating cash flow issues when the actual payday arrives. Transfer fees. While lower than traditional alternatives, fees can add up if used excessively. Dependence on digital access. Users need smartphones or online banking to fully utilize the app, which could be the barrier for some. Consider real-world examples Emily, a retail worker faced unexpected car repairs. With DailyPay, she accessed $150 of her earned wages to pay the mechanic without falling behind on rent. This avoided expensive late fees or high-interest credit card use. Marcus, a healthcare employee used DailyPay to stagger his withdrawals, taking only what he needed for groceries early in the week. This helped him avoid overdrawing his checking account and maintain budget discipline. Tanya, a hospitality worker initially struggled with overspending. By setting personal limits and integrating DailyPay with a budgeting app, she now manages her finances better and avoids relying on payday loans. Comparing DailyPay to alternatives in 2025 other early wage access apps apps like Earnin or DailyPay competitors may offer similar services, but DailyPay differentiates itself with a simple fee structure, real-time employer integration, and enhanced financial tools. Traditional payday loans DailyPay is far safer and cheaper. Payday loans are notorious for trapping borrowers in cycles of debt with sky-high interest rates. Bank overdrafts While banks may offer overdraft protection, fees are often higher than DailyPay's flat transfers. Plus, overdrafts can negatively impact your banking history if repeated. Credit cards Using credit cards for short-term cash needs introduces interest charges and potential debt accumulation. DailyPay avoids new debt altogether. Tips for using DailyPay responsibly 1. Withdraw only what you need Avoid the temptation to access all earned wages at once. Think of DailyPay as a tool for emergency or planned expenses, not casual spending. 2. Track your transfers Use the real-time tracking features to see how early access impacts your actual payday balance. 3. Set personal limits Decide in advance how much you can safely withdraw each week without causing a shortfall. 4. Integrate with budgeting apps Connecting DailyPay with your financial management tools helps maintain awareness of cash flow and prevents overspending. 5. Avoid relying on it as regular income DailyPay is most beneficial for occasional use or smoothing cash flow. Regular dependence could indicate you need to adjust your budgeting or expenses. Security and reliability in 2025 DailyPay uses advanced encryption, secure banking connections, and two-factor authentication to protect your data and transfers. Employers are responsible for accurate earnings reporting, but DailyPay has safeguards to ensure transfers match actual earned wages. Customer support is accessible through the app or online chat, providing assistance when needed. So, the big question. Is DailyPay worth it or leave it? If you work for a partnered employer, need occasional access to earned wages, and want a low-cost alternative to payday loans or overdrafts, DailyPay is worth it. If your employer isn't partnered, you struggle with overspending, or you already have sufficient cash flow and savings, it might not add much value. In conclusion, the DailyPay app in 2025 is a secure, flexible, and cost-effective tool for accessing earned wages early. It provides a practical alternative to high-interest loans, improves cash flow management, and integrates with modern financial tools to support better budgeting and financial literacy. Used responsibly, it can be a lifesaver during unexpected expenses and help employees maintain financial stability. For anyone eligible and looking for a responsible way to access earned income before payday, DailyPay is definitely worth considering.